The long-anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro is here, and the buzz in the tech community is immense. Packed with game-changing upgrades, this drone promises to redefine what we expect from a compact aerial imaging device. In this deep dive, we'll explore every detail, from its revolutionary camera system and extended battery life to cutting-edge safety features. One of the standout features is its 1-inch sensor, a substantial upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. This new sensor, combined with a 50-megapixel resolution, promises sharper details, improved low-light performance, and unparalleled image clarity. 4K recording at 120 FPS. Content creators and filmmakers will love the ability to shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second, allowing for stunning slow-motion footage, improved light capture. The larger sensor ensures better light absorption, making it ideal for nighttime and low-light photography, vertical video mode, catering to social media users. The drone retains the vertical video feature, eliminating the need for manual rotation. The Mini 5 Pro will also include enhanced optical and digital zoom capabilities, allowing users to capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity. Additionally, improved stabilization algorithms and advanced noise reduction technology ensure smooth and professional quality footage every time. Battery life is a critical feature for drone enthusiasts, and DJI has stepped up its game with the Mini 5 Pro. The standard battery is rumored to provide 40 to 45 minutes of flight time, a notable improvement from the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. For those seeking even longer flights, the Plus version could offer over 50 minutes of flight time. The addition of internal storage is a welcome upgrade, eliminating the need for external memory cards. The inclusion of audio recording capabilities adds another layer of versatility, allowing creators to capture ambient sounds directly. Base model, estimated at $850. Fly More Combo, expected to be priced around $1,200, which includes extra batteries, propellers, and carrying accessories. Impressive flight time, up to 45 minutes with the standard battery. Exceptional camera quality, thanks to its 1-inch sensor and 4K recording at 120 FPS. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the ultimate compact drone for 2024, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. From its revolutionary camera system and extended flight time to its advanced safety features, this drone is set to dominate the market. Whether you're looking to elevate your creative projects or improve your professional workflow, the Mini 5 Pro delivers on all fronts. With its competitive pricing and innovative design, it's no surprise that this drone has already generated immense excitement in the drone community. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe.